I'll show you guys this view from this hotel room. I'm on the 7th floor of Ibis Hotel. Check it out. It's a nice view. Yeah, I love just wandering around, checking out the city, exploring the place. This building, the color is kind of unique, really muted. Yeah, so these firemen are doing a drill, but so that's not a dead body. Don't worry about it, everything's fine. We're all good. I'm gonna head up this hill and gonna find a place to do some paintings. I love just doing street art when I travel. See this beautiful view. It's overcast, don't have to worry about any sunburns today. Alright, let's see if we could find a nice place. Go out and paint. Chill.